It was embarrassing. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jonah, and we back. Cafe con sneakers. Introducing the wifey. Want to try out some coffee shops. Babe, you ready? What's up, guys? Your boy Jonah. We back. Cafe con sneakers. Introducing the wife, the one and only. Hello, say hello.
Hello, I'm Kat.
It's Kat. This is the other part of Cafe con Sneakers. We're gonna come into this coffee shop and try out some coffee. We've never been here. What's the name of this place, babe?
It is called Midnight Animal.
All right, here in what area? North Park, Alcohol Boulevard. All right, you ready to go inside?
Yeah, I'm ready to try this.
Let's try some coffee. What's up, guys? We're here at
Midnight Animal Coffee.
Midnight Animal Coffee. I got the vanilla latte, nothing crazy. Oh, you gotta do the makeup girlies. I got the vanilla latte, nothing crazy.
And then mine comes in this cute coffee cup. There was a design, I don't know if you could see it. But it's a little heart, it's so cute. This is called a flat white. It's 2 shots of espresso with steamed milk, I think. And then I asked for vanilla syrup. A 1 to 10? I say a 10. I'm feeling the espresso shots, baby. I will come back here. I love a good strong coffee. Over the years, I really don't care about sweetener and stuff like that, but when he adds a little bit of the syrup, the vanilla syrup, it's like, but I love a good strong coffee and I'm feeling it.
We got the Casio Vintage Watch Digital wedding ring. These are fake Ray-Bans, Air Jordan 8s, playoffs. Get that. You see it. It's 2013 though.
Got the jewelry hoops, vintage Casio on, the way glasses, the Supreme beanie. There we go. This is from a vintage shop in Seattle. This is from a vintage shop in Seattle. Leggings are from Costco. Vintage Panda Dunks from Bait, Seattle. And now per